Hello, good morning, my lovely kids. Hope you all are fine. So, kids, today we are going to learn sounds of animals. You know, kids, even the birds and animals have their own way to talking and communicate with each other, right? Oh, you don't believe me? Okay, let's wait and watch. So, this is rooster. Rooster says, cock a doodle doo. Cock a doodle doo. And snake says, hiss. Snake says, hiss. Next is elephant. Elephant says, trumpet, trumpet. And sheep says, ba ba. Sheep says, ba ba. Next, horse. Horse says, knee. Horse says, knee. And next, dog. Dog says, woof woof. Dog says, woof woof. Okay, kids, now let's revise again. Dog says, woof woof. Horse says, knee. Sheep says, ba ba. Elephant says, trumpet, trumpet. Snake says, hiss. And rooster says, cock-a-doodle-doo. Kids, learn these sounds and I'll bring next video. In that video, we'll learn about babies of animals, right? So, till then, bye-bye.